Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss Moral Science chapter number 5, Leadership Quality, page number 23. Two seeds, two seeds lay side by side in the fertile soil. The first seed thought, I want to grow, I want to send my roots deep into the soil. I will force my sprout through the soil above me. I will enjoy the warmth of the sun. I will produce leaves, flowers, and fruits. I will do good to the world. And so she grew. The second seed thought, how will I grow? What is the use of growing? If I send my roots into the ground below, I may be hurt. If I push my way through the hard soil above me, I may damage my delicate sprouts. If I let my buds open, I may be attacked by worms. How will I survive the summer and winter? And so she waited. The next day a hen was scratching food for food. It found the waiting seed and ate it. And so she proceeded. Our leader is not one who just gives inspiring speeches, but more than that, he is a role model of his followers. The lives of our national leaders like Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, etc., are examples of supreme leadership. A life based on certain principle is the greatest quality of dynamic leaders. In short, a leader should be an inspiring model for others. The points below show the qualities of a successful leader. A leader must be an able organizer. When India achieved freedom from the British, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel organized the small territories under one flag. He was a great success in his task, and his leadership will be appreciated and remembered forever. A leader should have a lot of patience and adjustability. The leader will have to contact with members of different behavior and character. All the members will have different kind of views. The leader will have to listen to all these opinions and make a decision. A leader should motivate everybody. He should make everyone work together for the target. One person alone cannot achieve much, but if everyone is ready to work together, we will be able to do wonders in the society. The art of decision making is an important quality that an efficient leader should have. As much as possible, decisions have to be taken on the basis of discussions. However, a leader should also have the ability to take quick and right decision at crucial time. Once a decision is taken, there should not be any confusion in making it a reality. A leader should do everything possible to go forward. A leader should forget the personal advantage. He should give up his selfish motives and do everything for the team or society. Fear of consequence, courage are two things that stop one being from being an inspiring leader. A leader should be free from all kinds of fear. Always remember, it is not the title that makes a leader, but his attitude, ideals, and action. A leader should have the ability to resist pressure both from inside and outside the group. It is possible only when one is convinced of the righteousness of one's decisions and plan. A leader should have a pleasant appearance. It will make others comfortable in the presence. Moreover, he should always have the patience to understand the problems and feelings of other people. Now, 10 principles for leaders. Avoid unnecessary criticism and complaints. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Make the companions feel important. Become genuinely interested in the other people. Learn to smile wherever possible. Call others by their name. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Take in terms of others' man. I will repeat this line. Take in terms of its talk in terms of other man's interest. Remember that actions speak louder than words. Do not try to imitate anyone but have one's own identity. Dear student, read this chapter properly. We will discuss this chapter during the online class. Thank you.